All right, Brunswick Square Mall. Let's do a time check. 6:52 p.m. Thursday, July 16th, 2026. So we're just walking around right now, Brunswick Square Mall, and there's a lot of stuff going on today because they're remodeling the mall. So the mall is this has been a mall that's been here a long time in East Brunswick. And yeah, so basically it used to be busy. It used to be very popular here in East Brunswick, but then the foot traffic got a little bit thin. So I guess they had, to revamp things. I remember we did some videos here, and during this winter time, it was pretty jumping. If you're thinking like Christmas time, Black Friday, like it was like pretty kind of normal. But there's a lot of malls in the area that are more modern. I think that's really kind of the thing. There's no food court here, really. That's a big deal. If a mall doesn't have a food court, then it kind of takes away from the excitement of the mall quite a bit. So yeah, they're redoing it, modernizing it, revamping it, making it more open and things like that. So let's stand back here. This is the movie theater side here. And that's the JCPenney's right here. So that's JCPenney's right here. Oh, great. Okay. Yeah, so there's a lot. They're ripping a lot of stuff up over here. So yeah, this is the entrance to the mall right here, but I don't know if you can actually go in or not. Let's see. Yeah, it says mall closed. Okay, mall is closed right here. Entrance is for results boxing and results performance only. No trespassing. So you cannot go in there under any circumstances unless you are going in there for that reason. So yeah, they're very strict about a lot of things here. Like I mentioned previously, before. Maybe not necessarily in this episode here, but yes, you have to be very careful around here right now. Yeah, they're very strict. Just take my word for it. They're very strict here right now. And yeah, I know there's other videos of this place right now, and I could see everybody's kind of walking on eggshells a bit here. So everybody kind of gets the idea and knows that it's a little bit strict here. But we're just walking, observing, and documenting this. It's kind of a historical event because this is a revamping of what once was a very popular mall before. So yes, it is I guess you can say kind of a historical event. So there you go, look. Inside there you can see wide open. They're building a lot right there. Okay, so let's walk through over this way. Wow, a lot of smoke today from the Canadian fires. Canadian fires are spreading smoke hundreds and hundreds of miles. And if you see over there from the vocational school right there, how smoky it is on the field. Whew, you can't even barely see the trees on the other side of the field over there. So pretty wild fire, technically, right? Literally wildfire. So we got the AMC movie theater right here. So there's still a lot of people going into the movie theater. So some things are still open here at the mall. But yeah, it's pretty crazy today, the weather. We have some pretty crazy weather going on today. It's pretty wild. Yeah, as you see over here, wow, there's a lot going on over here too. So yeah, they got it all fenced off over here, and it's very serious. They don't want anybody. I think there was a lot of people going in on accident or even on purpose, and yeah, they got very strict about it. So there's no really going into the mall. So you can look at the mall, but going in is not really technically allowed. So we're gonna stroll this way. Okay. And I'm sticking out like a sore thumb right now, but so yeah, let's just go. Let's just walk this way over by the Macy's. We got the Macy's over here. So yeah, you can see everything. Everything is being ripped up over here. So yeah, they got everything going on over here. Yeah, so it's supposed to be like an open mall from what I know, like an outlet, Jersey Shore outlet kind of spot, that kind of thing, and all of that. So that's what they're looking to do, that kind of thing. Okay. Yeah, I remember I used to come up here as a kid, and it was so much fun. We used to walk up. I used to live a town over, and then we would just walk up the road over here and then just go up down like to the Riders Lane, which is right over here, and then come up to the mall on the weekends. We'd be here like on a Friday night. Everybody would meet up here, and it was a lot of fun. So we would definitely have a group here. When I was a kid, like, this is my hood. Yeah, I've mentioned that before. Central New Jersey is my hood. So this is my area, Central New Jersey. So yeah, this is definitely a piece of history, a piece of my history here. And it's just wild that the mall took a decline. It used to be a very popular place, but it's just crazy that, you know, sometimes these malls, they just, I guess a lot of new things come into the area, and then it kind of takes over and everything. So that's probably competition, you know. But they're reviving it, and they're remodeling it, revamping it. So let's see. That's a really good thing. So Brunswick Square Mall 2026.